Here we have a set of data, a group of numbers. And what we want to do is, we want to find out which number out of all of these is in the middle. So the first thing we're going to do is, we're going to put the data in numerical order. So let's do that right now. So now that we have them in numerical order, what we're going to do is, we're going to pair them off by taking a lowest number and a highest number. So now 22 is lowest and 78 is highest, so we're going to pair them off. Now that means now that 25 and 74, 25 is the lowest, 74 is the highest, we're going to pair those off. And we're going to continue pairing them off. So we have 26 and 69, 31 and 68, 32 and 65, 35 and 63. We have these two. Here's a lowest, here's a highest. Here's a lowest, here's a highest right now. Here's a lowest, here's a highest. Here's a lowest, here's a highest. So now we've paired them off and we find out that 48 is left. That means 48 is in the middle. Here are all the lower numbers than 48. Here are all the numbers that are higher than 48. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers lower than 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers higher than 48. So 48 is the middle number. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to find the middle number of the low group and the middle number of the high group. So what we can do now is we can do the same thing we did before. We can match up the higher numbers here, then we can match up these two, then these two, it stays there, then these two, and these two, and it turns out that 35 is the middle of the lower group of numbers, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers lower than 35, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers higher than 35. Now with our higher numbers, the numbers higher than 48, we do the same thing. So we take 53 and 78, then we take 57 and 74, 58, 69, 59, 68, 62 and 65, and we're left with 63. So that means then that 63 is the middle number of the high numbers. There are 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers lower than 63, and 5 numbers higher than 63. So now our data has shown us 3 distinct numbers. First of all, the middle number of the entire group. Secondly, the middle number of the low group. Thirdly, the middle number of the higher group. And finally, one last thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the lowest and highest numbers. The lowest number is 22, the highest number is 78. So it comes down to be 48 is our middle number. 35 is the number in the middle of the low group. 63 is the middle number of the high group. 22 is the lowest number of all of the numbers, and 78 is the highest number of all of the numbers. And these 5 numbers give us an idea of what the data will look like.